Hey guys, Marcus Stone here, welcome to my channel, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to change the font size on one page in your Squarespace website. So without further ado, let's get started. What are you going to need for that is a Chrome extension. Just go ahead and go to Chrome Web Store and find out the Squarespace collection / blog identifier extension and just add that extension into your Chrome. And once you're done, then you're going to be able to basically click here, and whatever site or whatever block you're working on, after clicking, there's this block ID that shows up. This is the ID that you're going to need for formatting the whatever you need, either the text or the button or the whole collection right here. So for that, you need to go to the design. So I'm going to show you once again because it's open. So go to the design right here and just head towards the custom CSS. Click on it, and there's this little window that pops up here. So what you're gonna need is this block ID. So after clicking on it, as you can see, it's copied to clipboard. So just left click on this, and it's going to automatically copy it. So go here and then just paste it there. So that's what you start with. You're basically telling the Squarespace that what you want to basically influence by the code. So then you just copy paste this code right here. So you just basically highlight everything and just Control C and then head towards your site, and in this window right here just paste it there. So the block ID is this one, so we can remove the beginning of the code. Just hit delete here. Okay, so we have, as you can see, something has changed with the header right here. So that means that we have influenced that. And what you need to do is to go and navigate here, and you can just change the size, editing this right here. So let's say we want to have it 50 pixels, and as you can see, it's changing. If you want to edit different parameters of the font, for example, you want to change the color, just go to color library. Maybe this is a very useful link for you. It's called htmlcolorcodes.com/colors, and you will be able to choose from the list of all the web colors that you can use. So if you just copy paste any code there and go back to the editor right here, and you can just replace this code with that, and as you can see, the color has changed. So either size and color can be changed, and also different parameters like font type too can be changed with this custom CSS function. So once you're happy with that, you can just hit save right here, and yeah, there you have it. Font size changed on one page in Squarespace. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.